Hello, I'm Andrew. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Inbox Client Preview functionality. This tool is fantastic for seeing how your email will appear across various email clients and operating systems that dominate the market. First, let's dive in. I've already prepared an affiliate offer in our system and pre-cleaned this campaign. Now, I'm going to send a test preview of this email to one of my email addresses. We'll revisit this preview later in the video. Alright, the email is on its way. Let's move on. I'm going to click on the Campaign Analysis tab. Here, we'll find the Preview Email Client Renders section. By clicking on the Click Me link here, we'll be directed to the Email Client Preview page. Once on this page, I'll enlarge the view for a better look. You'll notice that the system is gathering how the email displays on various supported devices. We've organized this by the market share of each device manufacturer and email client. For instance, iPhones using iOS Apple Mail represent a significant portion. Note that we don't cover clients and devices with less than 1% market share. By clicking on a device's thumbnail, like this one for iOS Apple Mail on the iPhone, you'll see a full-size screenshot of how the email appears on that device. Now, let's check out the Gmail app on the iPhone. Scrolling down, there's an option to download a screenshot for closer inspection. Next, we'll look at how the email appears in Gmail on a desktop computer. I'm bringing up the actual email we sent earlier using the Send Preview tool. Here they are, side by side. As you can see, both versions are identical. For a real-world comparison, let's look at how it appears in the Gmail app on an iPhone. Since I can't share my phone screen directly, I've taken a screenshot from my iPhone 13 for us to examine. And again, they match perfectly. To sum up, the Email Client Preview is a quick and efficient way to ensure your email looks great across the majority of devices and email clients, covering over 99% of the market. This ensures your message is received just the way you intended, no matter where it's viewed.